How to install and download HBO Max app on your Android device. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily install the HBO Max app on your device. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your Google Play Store and then head over to the search bar. Now simply search for HBO Max and you will find this app right here. Now if you want to know more about the app, you can find the app reviews and app details down below. So just scroll down. So tap on About App and here it shows you Max is one of the one to watch for HBO, hit series, films, sports, news, and more. So you'll find all of the information about the app here. You can read through it and all of its information about subscription and everything right here. And as you can see, it has quite a good review. It has 4.8 ratings and it has over 2 million reviews. That's pretty good. So to install it, simply tap on the install button and wait for the app to download. Now all you have to do is once the app is downloaded, simply log into your account, and if you have the subscription, you can start watching your favorite TV shows, movies right away. And that's how you easily install and download HBO Max on your phone. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.